What's up, YouTube? So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to remove your rear bumper, and I don't need to do it, but I did want to show people how to do it and make a video on it. So all you're gonna need is your 10mm socket, wrench, and an extension, because these are pretty deep in there. So you're gonna remove the plastic pieces that are around here, which actually you can just remove this piece right here, but I removed that because I was making another video on the tail light, how to remove it. But basically there's gonna be 3 really long, not screws, but like nuts down here. There's one right here, over here, one over here, and one right there. You can see that one better. So there's actually 4 right there. Take those off, and then come over here behind your wheel, and there's gonna be 2 10mm bolts, which pretty easy to take off. Take those off right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's basically 2 right here. One right there and one right there. And that's all that's really holding your bumper to the body of your car. Same thing on the other side. You remove it just like that. Just remove those and remove your bumper. And just wanted to make a video because when I was first doing it, I was pretty confused on how to do it. Also, you might need to get back there. Mine didn't have anything, so I'm just telling you guys to the best of my knowledge. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. Your bumper should come right off. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if it does help, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.